Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe if you have not already so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. So if you guys hear noise in the background, just bear with me. The dog is going crazy. I'm sure it's because they're probably delivering something, but whatever. Anyways, so for today, I wanted to continue to kind of try to give you guys ideas for different things you can journal on, especially if you're new. You're so annoying. Especially if you're new in your spiritual journey and just beginning your walk as a Christian. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 journal prompts that you can use during your season of waiting. If you are in your season of waiting, the Encourage Devotional and Journal is definitely a great tool. It's a 45-day prompted journal and Bible journal. And there's also a 21-day devotional that goes along with that, and it's just real life stories and tying it into the scripture and how it applies to your real life. So that is definitely something you may want to consider purchasing for yourself. Excuse the doorbell. That is something that you may want to consider purchasing for yourself if you are in your season of waiting and you need help with just staying encouraged and uplifted and inspired to continue to go on, because I know that it's not easy when you're going through those seasons, which is exactly why I wrote it, because I have been through it. But nonetheless, let's jump into these 3 journal prompt ideas. Number 1, the first one would be to write 3 verses that affirm the importance of waiting on God's timing, which is so important to remember during your season of waiting. Like, we all need that reminder when we're going through and we're just ready to see change happen in our lives, that God's timing is better than our own. And don't worry, if you can't keep up with today's videos, journal prompts, I'll leave a blog post link to this video where you can get all the journal prompts, and they'll be written out for you to make it easier. So the second journal prompt would be, what bitterness are you currently holding with you? You're carrying it with you and you can't seem to let it go. What is it? Write it down, and then write down a prayer asking God to remove that bitterness from your heart so that you can move on and really enjoy life to the fullest as it was meant to be enjoyed. And the third journal prompt is to write down a prayer asking God for your heart's desires. All of these journal prompts, I think, are great things to think about, reflect upon, especially when you're going through your season of waiting. It can be difficult to try to stay positive and try to stay upbeat and uplifted. So I just wanted to give you some things that you can think about, think deeply about, and kind of think positively about during this season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, make sure you check out the description box. It'll have a blog post link to these journal prompts in case you did not catch them all. And this is something that you can definitely take 15 to 20 minutes and reflect upon over maybe 3 days. I definitely think Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a great time, since that's when most people are off from work or school. Take those 3 days and reflect upon these questions, and just take some time to be with Jesus first thing in the morning. It's not a lot of time, so just make time to do it. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm not going to keep you. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day and be blessed. Bye!